So yeah, you are about to become a content creator. Yes, you've opened that channel and you have tons and tons of content to create, tons and tons of content to share with YouTubers, fellow YouTubers around the world. But hold on, have you for once paused to be intentional on the kind of motion pictures or the kind of video quality you want to use in conveying this content to us or to people out there? Maybe you have, maybe you haven't, but if you haven't, I think this is the right video for you. Video quality, irrespective of your badass camera, can be whack if your lighting is poor or you have no lighting at all. Now, this is a major problem because people go out there to get tons of lighting and yet their videos aren't looking nice at all. So in this video, I'm not just going to tell you how I lighten my videos. I'm also going to tell you the types of lighting and what type of lighting you need to buy after my explanations. Hey there, my name is Chris from Craftreactor, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how to lighten your YouTube videos with low budget. $100. I'm not going to go above that, I promise you. $100 and you can get yourself nice lightning gears. Yes, you heard me right. Don't go away. So now you're contemplating on the kind of lights you want to get. You want to go on the shopping, but you don't actually know what you want. Hold on for a second. I'm going to tell you the types of lighting. Number one, you have the key lighting. The key light is your main source of light, and it's actually the VIP, your VIP lighting, the most important lighting that lightens your subject or lightens you as a person. And we have the fill lighting. The fill lighting is actually the light that knocks out the shadow that has been created by the key light. Wherever light is casted, there is also a shadow. A shadow is also formed. For example, if a light is coming on this part of my face, a shadow is over here. So the essence of a fill light is to knock out the shadow that has been created. Now we have the practical lights. The practical lights don't really serve any purpose. They just are just there. For example, these two lights at the background, this blue light and this orange light over here, they are the practical lights. They can be called a decoration light or something. Now I'm going to give you a practical of this, and I'm going to show you how I lighten myself with just $100. So let's get to it. Lights out. So as you can see, this is how my room looks without any lighting whatsoever. And I'm going to put on my key light now, my main source of light. And this is it. As you can see, this is my key light. Now, one thing I love about this light is that it has two controls. It has the intensity control, where you get to control the intensity of the light, and it has the temperature control, where you get to control the temperature. If you want a cool temperature or a warm temperature, you can actually do the adjustments. So it comes with two controls and it works with electricity. I got this light for $76. So that's my main source of light. Now, as you can see, I told you before that whenever there is a light, there's a shadow. A shadow is being created. So as you can see, the key light has illuminated this part of my face, but over here is a shadow. A shadow has been created here. So in order to knock out that shadow, I have to put on my fill light to fill in the shadows that has been created by this key light. Now the fill light is actually my wall panel lights. I actually got this wall panel lights. Each of them I got them for $6. So I'm going to control that with this remote control. As you can see with this control, and it has so many colors, but then the colors are not so effective. So I just like the white part of the light. So I'm going to put that on now. Watch it. As you can see, it has filled in the shadow. I just put one, like I just switch on one of the lights. So I'm going to switch on the other one with this control over here, and as you can see, the shadow is eliminated, though not 100%, but at least this is very, very, very manageable, and this is very efficient. So the next thing I'm going to do, like I said again, I got each of these lights for $6 and they work with electricity. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add some warmth to my face, like to my skin. I want my skin to have that warm temperature, and that is where this rechargeable tube light, orange tube light, comes in. I got this light from AliExpress for $6. As you can see, it's rechargeable, it works, it's independent of electricity, it's quite affordable, $6. So I'm going to put that on right now. I'm going to place it on top of my decks, and I'm going to put that on. Hold on a second. So as you can see, it has created some sort of warmness to my skin, and I love that. I want that to add that warmth to my skin. Now that's it for the is it also, you can also call it a feel light. It's a feel light too, like it fills in this part of my skin, like this part of the shadows here are getting away. This is how I look like before, and this is how I look with this light on. What I love about this light is that it flickers. Like actually it can get so many adjustments. Like I can flicker it, like it flickers. It has this flickering effect. You can use it to create something. So that's why I love about the light. So that is it for the feel lights. So I've mentioned my key light, I've mentioned my feel lights, the two wall panel lights, and also this feel light. Now the next on the list is another type of feel light. Actually, this is a colored type of light. It's not like a white type of light, but it's a color type of light, and it's blue in color. It's actually a tube light, but it's not rechargeable. It works with electricity. You have to plug it into a light source, into a power source, to make it work out. And I actually got it for $6. So I'm going to put that on right now. So as you can see, there is the blue feel, or the blue cast, that has been created as a result of the colored feel light over here, as you can see. So the reason I chose blue is because of the two particle lights in the background. Now they are off, so I'm going to put them on right now. As you can see, it's actually the wall panel light, and these are the colors. I chose blue over here, and I chose red over here. So the reason I chose blue is to create an illusion that this blue light at my background, or this particle light, is actually the light that is illuminating this part. But that's a lie, because it is actually the tube light I have on my right hand side that is illuminating this, and not the one here, and not the one at the background. So that's the creativity of it. Like how to manipulate it. I have to, like, okay, let me just manipulate it in such a way. Let me create an illusion that this light is actually lightening this part of my face. But no, that's not the issue. It is this light that is lightening my face. So you don't just go on a lightening spree, on lightning shopping, just to get light because you have the money. Well, you have the money, but yes, but you need to be creative in using it. So as you can see, after everything, I got my key light for $76. I got each of the wall panel lights for $6, and I got this one. Actually, I got this one here for $6 too, and I actually got the orange rechargeable tube light from AliExpress with $6. I didn't spend more than $100 to create this awesomeness, or to create this good lightning on my video. It's not about the amount of lightnings that you have. It's actually the way to use them, how to properly position them. These particle lights are not really necessary because they don't really do any function apart from just beautifying the background, and all that is nothing. That's why I didn't really add it, but you can add them on your video to make your video look more awesome. Remember, no light is ever enough. There's a saying in cinematography that no light is so small and no light is ever enough. So guys, that's for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell notification icon to get notified anytime I post new contents. I remain your creator, Chris, and also keep creating and don't stop creating. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.